if a parent is really trying to incorporate positive discipline with at home with the children and teaching them that, do you find that or have ever had an issue with the school system like kind of doing the opposite of like, okay, this child is misbehaving, they're punished, they are in detention now, or without asking about feelings and trying to label that? Has that ever come up?
Well, I really like that question. It really has been a concern of mine in the past.
Yeah.
Parents I coach, I don't recall any of them specifically having problems with this, but really what it comes down to is, yes, we can, talk to the teacher if we feel like they weren't disciplined in a healthy way, things like that. But if that doesn't work out, it's not really our role to change the school system, to change the way they discipline. And so we either have to, move them to a different school, or just teach our kids that, some people discipline differently and this is what you can learn from it. And it's kind of similar to the advice I give to parents, like if they have grandparents who might be helping to take care of their kids during the day and they don't agree with what the grandparents do,
That's true.
In the end, the kids are so smart, they can adapt to the different discipline systems, and it's not going to hurt them long term if they're disciplined differently, in one setting than another. But as the parent, you really do have the greatest influence on the child.